The need for a tax waiver on menstrual health products has re-emerged as the Reproductive Health Supply Coalition has reiterated calls on the government to reconsider the tax on their products in the country. Members of the coalition across the world who are meeting in Ghana have taken notice of the lack of access to quality menstrual health products in most African countries, which needs to be addressed.
Concerns about the unmet needs of reproductive health products in the country will remain topical until policymakers make a commitment to addressing these gaps. The Reproductive Health Supplies Coalition seeks to answer questions about financing for sexual, reproductive, maternal, and menstrual health supplies in terms of donor funding, domestic resource mobilization, and new innovative financing mechanisms. As players who ensure all people are able to access and use affordable, quality reproductive health supplies, including a broad choice of contraceptive methods, they noted that the reproductive health rights of people are under threat.
There needs to be a sense of realism as to how fast countries can move around infrastructure, around quality and regulation, around financing, but certainly the political will.
Aside from this, the group wants African countries to focus more on domestic resource mobilization to begin manufacturing their own sanitary products, taking a cue from Kenya.
A number of African countries that assured access to reproductive health supplies, that it's going to take a lot of small steps to get us to a situation where other countries are able to manufacture high quality reproductive health supplies.
The government says it's working towards domestic resources to bridge funding gaps in the country.
We will continue to push our advocacy just to make sure that there are checks and balances, non-traditional donors, using private sector practitioners in the country, just to see how everyone can come on board.
The group will also examine COVID-19's impact on funding for reproductive health supplies and related markets and supply chains, drawing lessons from how the sector responded and celebrating its resilience.